In this video, I'm going to show you how to create assets advertising a business from start to finish using Adobe Express, the quick and easy create anything app. Every small business is unique, so let's play a game. Let's pretend I own a plant shop and am hosting a free workshop soon that I want people to attend. So I need both print and digital assets for social media. Let's do it. So first things first, I'm not a design professional, and that's okay. Let's head over to the Generative AI tab on the home screen in Adobe Express and head down to Generate Template. My prompt is a flyer promoting the free plant workshop that's happening next month in a plant store with fun images of beautiful plants and a modern design. Generate. It has generated 4 options for me as a template, so let's go with this. So I like this image, but I want to switch it out for something else. I can replace this image by clicking on it, hitting replace, and then heading over to photos and finding a new one that I like. I really love this image. Let's use it. I'm gonna double click, and I'm gonna head over to the crop tool because I really want it to fit. This looks pretty good. Now let's add a few design elements to really give it that plant feel. You know what I mean? Plant. Ooh, this is cute. Don't worry about the plants covering the text. We'll fix that in a minute. Our plant shop today is called Stumblewell. So I'm going to utilize the brand colors I have saved to switch things out and keep the flyer completely on brand. Now I'm gonna go through and try to find a nice bold font to use so that way this stands out. Let's see what's recommended to me right here inside Adobe Express. Ooh, there we go. Here's what I wanna do. I wanna crop this and have it be like, so you only see the 2 planties. Boom. And then I wanna duplicate this because then I can put the other ones down at the bottom. Now it's getting cute. We still need a way for people to sign up to come to our free workshop. So we're going to generate a QR code. So once we put our link in, now we can easily style this to be however we want. And then my color, green, file format. Do we want PNG? Let's go PNG. Love it. So I'm gonna head over to Elements, and I'm just gonna grab a square. Grab a super simple square. Love it. I'm gonna make my square the same size as my QR code. Love it. And then I'm also going to fill the square color with our brand, drop it below my QR code. And I'm just gonna make a little informal, just a really impromptu harsh drop shadow. I just want like a little arrow to be like, sign up here. And we can also adjust the arrow's color to be what? Our brand. Okay, and now our text. So let's put our register now language down here and let's make it dynamic. Yes. And let's make it in our brand because it's a nice deep green. And now we've built out our full flyer. It looks really cute, and I'm actually kind of bummed because I actually kind of want to go to this. I kind of wish this was real. So we're going to now resize this to be every shape and size we need across social. So we're gonna head up to the very top, hit the resize button, and now easily we're gonna resize it to everything we know we need. So let's do an Instagram square post, Instagram story. Let's make it a Facebook page cover. Ooh, Eventbrite header. That's also a good one. And let's go with that. And now we're gonna hit duplicate and resize. And easily we can go through and make any minor adjustments that we wanna make so that way it fits to everything we need. And for our Instagram and TikTok versions, let's add a cute little animation so that way everything's just fun and adorable. We'll loop a cute little wiggle for our planties. And then let's add a little bit of animation to our register for free. Drop in. Let's see what we've got. No matter what business you're in, Adobe Express is a game changer. So what should we try next? Let me know down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on any great tutorials.